We got some dates, we got some peanut butter, we got some chocolate going on, even some chickpeas. Let's make this delicious, nutritious snack. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna cook up something really delicious, really tasty, very quick and very nutritious. Thing is, I have two kids who come home from school and they're craving a quick snack, like a pick-me-up. Something to keep them full and happy till dinner and away from the kitchen. And this is what I love to give them, dates. Specifically medjool dates. Who doesn't love them? I like to snack on these on their own, without anything, but what if you were to, say, add some additional nutritious value, get some protein in there? Why not? So we're gonna add a few ingredients and spice things up a bit. Peanut butter, again, can be eaten on its own, just with a spoon. Love this stuff. If you don't like peanut butter, take almond butter, cashew butter, whatever you have at home or in your pantry. And today, we're gonna introduce to the peanut, the chickpea. This has a lot of protein, a lot of good stuff. And then we're gonna take the date, we're gonna remove that little thing inside and stuff them with these two guys, and then drown them in chocolate. It's gonna be good. So our gorgeous stuffed dates are in the freezer. That's gonna give the peanut butter and the chickpeas some time to kind of firm up. And we're gonna make the chocolate bath. Now you could take chocolate nibs or your favorite kind of like pounded chocolate and melt it in the microwave. But we're gonna go a different, more kind of clean path. We're gonna take some coconut oil and we're gonna take some cocoa powder and just kind of blend the two together over a steam bath, and that's gonna be our glaze. I mean, I have a few chocolate bars here, and there's so many crazy ingredients. I can't even pronounce them. No idea what this is, but yeah, just coconut oil and cocoa powder. It's good enough for me. Don't these guys just look amazing? As you can tell, there's one missing. I couldn't help myself. I sprinkled these with some sea salt. You could put some coconut flakes on top. You can add some coffee to the chocolate mix. You can add some cayenne pepper. You can really, like literally spice these up, but it's a delicious, clean, healthy, nutritious, sugar-free snack. And that's amazing. Oh, and lactose-free as well. This is some goodness here. I hope you like these. Please let me know in the comments below if you tried to make them. If you have any questions, again, write them in the comment section. And see you soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna try one of these for you. What I did as well, besides the sea salt, was I melted a bit of milk chocolate on top. So they're kind of like little zebras, little chocolate zebras. Let's go. Let's hit it up. Check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? You can't taste the chickpeas. It's not like your kids are gonna be like, gross, there are chickpeas inside. No. This actually tastes like a Snickers bar. It's amazing. Please try it. I'm sure you'll love it. Let me know. See you soon.